Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Bea. I'm a vintage glamour enthusiast and musician. I make vintage beauty and style videos with a little bit of sustainability, veganism and lifestyle thrown in for good measure. So if that sounds like your jam, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Today we're going to be doing another travel capsule wardrobe video because after my last one for Malta, which I'll link up above, several of you asked me to do another one, particularly for going to Australia. I will be going to Australia tomorrow. It is a surprise for my mum's birthday, so I haven't announced it anywhere online because I don't want to give away the surprise, but by the time you guys see this video, I will have been in Australia for about a week. So I have a huge pile of clothing over here that is in my maybe to take pile. So I'm going to whittle it down because I know I'm going to be coming back from Australia with stuff in my suitcase and I don't want to pay for a second suitcase. So I want to have a half empty suitcase when I go. So I really need to work on pairing key items with other things so that, you know, one item can be part of several different outfits so that I'm minimizing how many pieces I take. So without further ado, let's get into it.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
The weather in South Australia can be quite changeable, so I've brought myself a selection of both cool and warm coverings. And I tend to base outfits around key pieces that I know I already wear with a wide selection of clothing, and then I work the outfits around that. I try to keep the number of pieces I bring minimal and accessorize to change up outfits. I did also bring 3 dresses, but on reflection, they're actually quite similar. The first key piece is these 1950s shorts. They go with every single top that I brought with me as they're a plain white. I wear these all the time in summer and I just knew that they were going to be a key piece to bring with me. So as you can see, I've made 6 whole outfits with just one pair of shorts. I'm wearing the same pair of shoes with each outfit, but I did bring a selection that goes with just about everything and I would highly recommend that. The second key piece is this 1950s pencil skirt. Despite being quite a busy pattern, the blouses that I've brought with me are quite plain and have a similar pastel theme, so many of them go with this skirt. Next up is this 1950s circle skirt. Again, it's got quite a strong pattern on it, but it does go with a lot of the more plain items that I brought, including my 1960s Jansen swimsuit. Of course, a trusty pair of jeans. This is the Lady K Loves Hug Me Baby jeans. I love these jeans. They are comfortable and jeans just go with everything. You can't really go wrong. I also made sure to bring some plain black high heels, allowing me to dress outfits up a bit without bringing anything that I'm only going to wear once. Then this swimsuit surprisingly ended up being one of the key items. I didn't think it would look great underneath pants and shorts because it has a gusset, but actually you really couldn't tell provided I sort of positioned it well before putting the bottoms on. And this right hand outfit has to be one of the favorite outfits I've ever put together. Of course, I brought with me some Vivienne of Holloway pedal pushers. I live in these. I have them in black as well, but I thought that for summer, this color was more suitable. This sort of taupe color goes with a lot of the more plain tops that I brought with me, and I can wear it with pastels as well. But I've tried to change up what I show you in these cutaways, but as you can see, they're very versatile. And lastly, these yellow collective clothing shorts that I have had forever. They're really cute and they're going to go with all of the pastel colors that I have and also all of the more plain tops. And I just thought that these 3 outfits were really, really cute, so I'm looking forward to wearing those. I have also accessorized with scarves to change things up and mixed up my shoes. So that is the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Come and check out my Patreon. I have extra content over there. There's also the curated vintage finds perk, where every week I share links to vintage finds that I've discovered across the internet around the world, and you guys have links straight to them. So instead of me buying them, I just give them to you and you can buy them if you want to. There's also a music tier over there. Come and follow me on my Instagram. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.